Wait.
Okay, here are the panels I measure install. Then you are going to control room where we install the battery and the inverter. Yeah. Okay, this is the inverter, and the inverter is working perfectly well. So this is charge controller. This indicator shows that it's charging. This is charge controller, and this is the battery, and the battery is charging perfectly. So the installation is complete. You just remain to power the inverter. That one will be later. So this is the battery inverter. Okay, I can handle this thing. This is the battery and the inverter, charge controller. All of them is on. So the battery is working properly and it's charging. This is the inverter and the charge controller. So the work is done.